Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share the everyday makeup look that can be done in just 10 minutes. Firstly, clear your face. I'm using the Micellar water by Avon to clear my face. You can use the products whichever are available with you. Next, I'm using the Hydraboost by Stageline, which is moisturizer plus primer. It moisturizes your face, plus you do not need any additional primer before makeup. Then we'll go for the correction of dark spots. I'm using a color which hides my dark spots around the mouth and the dark circles under my eyes. You can skip this step of skin correction if you do not have any pigmentation on your face. Now I'm gonna blend it with the help of a brush. Our blending is done. Next I'm gonna add the concealer. I'm just gonna drop few on the areas which need the concealing. And then I'm gonna blend it with the beauty blender. Just dab it to merge it in your skin. Now I'm gonna use a liquid foundation. This one is from Avon. You can use any liquid foundation which matches your skin tone. And I'm gonna blend it with the beauty blender again. Now our base is ready. We'll move on to the eye makeup. Here I'm using the eye primer. I have spread it on the eyelids. Now I'm gonna blend it. Next we are gonna do the eye makeup. For this I'm using the lighter shade, as you can see, the one which is shown in the palette. And I'm gonna apply it to the eyelids. You can see I've blended it up. Then I'm using the darker shade for it. And then I'm gonna apply it to the center of the eyelid. Then we'll blend it together. You can see the difference now. Now I'm gonna use the black color to intensify the look. Just a little bit of it. Done with the blending. I'm gonna add on the mascara. Now I'm gonna apply the Kajal. The one which I'm using here is by Oriflame and it's super smooth. All these makeup products used in this video are mentioned in the description and you can know which one I have used from the description. Now I'm gonna add the liner. My eye makeup is done and I'm just gonna blend a little bit so that it's not very sharp. Now we are almost done. I'm gonna just dust off the excess black dust or any dust which fall from the eyeshadow, and just I'm gonna add the contour. Only add the contour if it's necessary, otherwise you can skip this step and easily blend it with the help of a brush. Now for the natural blush, I'm going to use the Face Pearls by Avon. I'm just going to take a little bit and dust the excess and add on to my cheeks. These give a natural effect. If you want, you can go for a more blushy blusher. Then I'm going to add the highlight. Just a little bit on the nose and the cheeks. Now we are done. I'm going to finish the look with the lipstick. And we are done. If you want, you can also add on a gloss. And the look is ready. This took me for about 10 minutes. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more such videos.